Check it out. This is a gun lock that came with my gun, one of my guns. Took me about an hour to get this key out of here, and then once I was able to free it, it unlocked this side, but now it does not turn. It won't turn to unlock. It's stuck. Putting pressure like a motherfucker on here. This one's starting to bend too. Moral of the story: do not use these piece of shit gun locks that come with your guns. Imagine it was an emergency, you need to get your gun out. It's a death trap. Fuck these.